Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins, and I want to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in handling Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law, the rules of Georgia workers' compensation, and the benefits available to people who've been injured at work under that law. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the benefits of Georgia workers' compensation, and that's medical treatment for your injuries. And specifically, I want to talk to you about making the workers' compensation insurance company pay for the medical treatment that you need. Now, if you've been hurt at work, one of the most important things to you is getting medical treatment to get better. It's very frustrating if you can't get the medical treatment that you need or that your doctor recommends. So if that medical treatment is not happening, how can you make sure that it happens? Well, one of the things that you normally need to do in order to make medical treatment happen is get approval from the insurance adjuster for that treatment. Your workers' compensation doctor is going to make recommendations for you about the treatment that you need for your injury. The doctor may recommend some medication or physical therapy or an injection or a surgery. But that treatment is not going to happen unless the insurance company lets the doctor know that they're going to pay for that treatment. Doctors are just not going to move forward with treatment without knowing that they're going to get paid for it. So when that recommendation's been made, until the doctor's office gets notified by the insurance company that the treatment is authorized, they're generally not going to move forward with that treatment. So the problems here are that the doctor's office may not be requesting approval from the insurance company, or more often, the insurance company may not be providing that approval back to the doctor's office. You can often find out from the doctor's office, or your attorney can, if they're requesting approval from the insurance company by reaching out to them. If they have requested approval from the insurance company and they're just not getting the approval for the treatment that's recommended, then you probably, as a first step, or your attorney needs to contact the insurance company to try to get that approval. You need to try to get the adjuster to contact the correct person at the doctor's office to let them know that the treatment's approved. That approval can often be provided with a phone call or email. One of the difficult things often is getting the adjuster on the phone, or even if you do get the adjuster on the phone, getting them to provide the approval that's needed. Now, if you have difficulty getting the adjuster to provide the approval to the doctor's office, what other steps can be taken to make sure your medical treatment happens? Well, under Georgia's workers' compensation law, there are a few different tactics that can be used. There's a couple of forms that can be sent, one by your doctor's office and another either by your attorney or you, to request approval for medical treatment when the insurance company is not approving that treatment. The form that your doctor's office can send is called the Form WC-205, and it can request approval for treatment. And if the insurance company doesn't respond to the form, then generally the treatment is deemed pre-approved. The difficulty with this form is you're going to have to get the doctor's office to submit it in most cases, or at least to complete the information on the form. The form that's used maybe more often than that, it could be more useful, is a form called the Form WC-PMT. This is a form that your attorney or you can use to request approval from the insurance company when the doctor has recommended certain treatment and a certain period of time has passed. The form requests either the insurance company approve the treatment, deny the treatment, or if they do neither, then a phone call is set up with a workers' compensation judge, where the insurance company has to explain why they haven't either approved or denied the treatment recommended by the doctor. So this form can be useful in getting approval to your doctor for the treatment that's recommended. And there are a couple of other options that can be used if these forms don't work, and that is to file a motion with a workers' compensation judge to request approval for treatment, or to request a hearing in front of a workers' compensation judge for the treatment that's been recommended. Now, the best tactic to use to get treatment approved is going to depend on the particular situation that you're dealing with. Some of these tactics are faster than others, but some give you more opportunity to present your case to a judge and to get an order from that judge. So your particular facts in your particular case are going to depend on which tactic should be used. I hope you found this information about how to get medical treatment approved or make workers' compensation approve that treatment helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation law, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. You can view all the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there, and you can subscribe to be notified of future videos as they come out. You can also visit our Perkins Studdard website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can view articles that I've written about Georgia workers' compensation law. And if you've got more questions about workers' compensation, or maybe the specific facts in your case, usually the best way to get answers to those is through a free consultation with me. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me, there's two easy ways that you can do that. The first is by calling the phone number on the bottom of the screen, but the other is by visiting our website, which is once again www.perkinslawtalk.com, and clicking on and completing and submitting the free consultation request form there. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.